train. Wow! Your train looks great! Let's set off! We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods onto the train. You're awesome! Let's keep going. Cargo handling mission accomplished. Let's head for the next station. The sand is blocking the way. Let's clear the track. Good job. Let's continue on our way. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers. Hi! Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Scissors. Knife. Thank you. Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken on. Hammer. Firecrackers. Thank you. Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Let firecrackers. Lighter. Thank you. Wing. To speed up the train. We have arrived at the inspection station. The coal is not enough. Let's add some to the train. You're awesome! Let's keep going. Let's continue on our journey. There's a barrier up ahead. Let's raise the barrier. Good job. Let's continue on our way. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train.